Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. The Eufy Permanent Outdoor Light is the latest Eufy product released last month. It's a direct competitor of the Govee Permanent Outdoor Light Pro. Here is the feature comparison for the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Light and the Govee Permanent Outdoor Light Pro. Both brands use RGB WW individually adjustable LED lights. However, the light configuration are different. Eufy has one warm white LED in each light. Govee has 3 warm white and 3 cool white LEDs in each light. Eufy's permanent outdoor light is not compatible with any smart home integration yet, but likely to be added in the future. The control box and power adapter for the Eufy brand are not waterproof, therefore recommended to be used indoor or be placed in a weatherproof box. The Eufy brand has unique AI light design feature and can be linked with Eufy security cameras. The Govee brand has unique music mode and can be cut and spiced. The Eufy brand is $100 cheaper, listed at $299. Unboxing. Testing. Make sure to test the lights before installation. First, connect the control box to the power adapter and the light strings. Be aware that the connector to the power adapter has 2 pins, while the connector to the light string has 3 pins. Connect the rest of the string with a waterproof connector. Connect power. Check to make sure all the light strings are working. App pairing. Press the light box for 2 seconds till the light flash 3 times. Installation. To prepare the installation, you need to plan out the length of the lights you need and how to route it to the power source. Here are the detailed measurements for all the components to help you plan ahead. Make sure to test all the lights before installing. The recommended installation location is under the eaves about 2 to 4 inches away from the wall. This might not be feasible for everyone. For my house, the eaves are made up of rough surface stucco. They won't hold the adhesive well, so I plan to install it on a wooden beam under the eaves 12 inches away from the wall. First, clean off the surface. Peel off the lens protective film. Peel off the 3M VHB tape cover. Press the light firmly on the cleaned surface for at least 5 seconds. Repeat for the next light. Place additional support clips every 2 lights. At the end of the last light string, cap the open connector to make it waterproof. App control. Let's take a detailed look at the app controls. You may find a widget of the permanent outdoor light in the home page. Tap the widget to show more options. Tap the power button to turn on the light. You may use the brightness bar to change the light brightness. At the Magic Show section, the animation in the middle of the screen will show you how the light show will look like. You may use AI-generated light show. You may choose the ones suggested at the inspiration section. You may also go to the description section and type in a phrase. Then the AI will generate a light effect for you. You may tap the Save button to save the current light effects as favorite. At the Ambience section, you may choose one of the preset light effects according to holiday, seasons, or events. In the Daily section, you may choose warm white, cool white, or pure white. Please note that only the warm white has its own dedicated LED. The other 2 white colors are RGB mixed. In the Customize section, you may find the previously saved light shows. At the DIY lighting effects section, you may change the color to individual light. You may also select several preset dynamic effects. You may adjust the dynamic effect speed using the speed bar. Here is the schedule page. The Smart Gradient option allows AI to create gradients based on your scheduled light styles. Here is a list of preset light schedules according to the holidays. You may quickly turn them all on or turn individual schedules on or off. At the Customize tab, you may create your own schedule. Here is an example. Once it's created, you may quickly turn it on or off. In the Lumino link page, you may link the action of the light with your Eufy security camera. For example, here is how I create a scene that if my backyard security camera detects a person from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., then the permanent outdoor lights will turn on with a warm white color for 10 minutes. Here are my final thoughts of the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights. The pros are easy to set up and install, good selection of preset light shows, plus AI generated light design, can be linked with Eufy security cameras. The cons are no smart home support yet, possibly adding in the future. Controller and power adapter not waterproof. Overall, the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Light is a great alternative for the popular Govee Permanent Outdoor Light Pro. So which one should you get? Here are a few reasons to choose the Eufy brand over the Govee brand. You want to link the light to your Eufy cameras. You prefer cheaper price. Here are a few reasons to choose the Govee brand over the Eufy brand. You need cut and spice to fit your installation. You want to integrate it to a smart home system such as Alexa, Google Assistant, or Matter. You want a more robust light effect customization. Let me know which brand you decide to go with in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.